Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Do you know about the book of Ala Hazrat, Addolat المکیه? Dad, when did he write this book? Where did he write this book? How did he write this book? And in how many hours did he write this book? And why did he write this book? If you want to know answers of all these questions, so please watch this video till the end and don't skip this video. Inshallah I will tell you answers of all these questions. Let's start our answers. Ala Hazrat wrote this book when he went to perform Hajj in second time, and he wrote this book in Makkah on device of ulama Makkah. And Ala Hazrat had a fever when he wrote this book, and his son Ahmad rahmatullahi ta'ala also helped him to write this book. And why did he write this book? This last question. So I will give you answer that Ala Hazrat wrote this book because some people of Wahhabiyya objected on ilm ghaibi Nabi sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. That's why Ala Hazrat wrote this book. I hope you have understood all answers of all questions. If you understood, so it's then great. And please pray for me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.